What's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a freebie alert for you all. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. Download this right away because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. This watch face is by MD, and for those of you all who are new to the channel, MD always gets down on some watch faces, so check him out in the Gear Manager store. Now we got to give Quasi a heads up for this one. Thank you, Quasi, because I would not have known about this if Quasi not have told me. So now I'm sharing the information with you all. So make sure you thank Quasi for the heads up. All right, you all, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called MD88. Awesome looking watch face, full of functions, full of features. You're gonna love this one. Now, in the always on mode, it looks just the same on the Gears 3. On the Gears 2, it's gonna look slightly different, but you are gonna be able to see your time at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, you get a unique way to tell time, which I love. You got animated seconds. You come down, you got step status info. You can check your steps, miles walked or ran, calories burned, your heart rate, all the important information that you're looking for out of a watch face. Then you get goal completed right there, and then you go up. This lets you know where you are within your day. Listen, very unique in its own right. And dead center, it seems as though you got an analog clock right there. So I thought MD got down on his watch face, and look at the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It's right up there at the top. Very nice added character to the watch face. I'm liking it. And you can customize the color. There's a single tap right here, and you can customize it to whatever color you would like this watch face to be. I thought he gave us a nice selection of colors. Very impressed by what MD did with this watch face, and it is inactive. So if I tap here, I can go into my weather. If I tap here, of course I can get calories burned, my step status info. Here I can go into my alarm. So I'm liking what he has offered us with this watch face, and considering that it is free, listen, this makes for an awesome download. All right, you all, make sure you go download. Sorry about the overload of reviews today, but we didn't want you to miss out on this freebie. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. So take care.